In the ingredients we have first of all the sweet corn in two ways. The first way is the paste form and the second way is the kernel form. I took two sweet corn cobs and I took out the kernels, boiled it, and after that divided it into two portions. After that I made a paste out of the half and strained it, and the rest half is here in the kernels form. Actually this is little bit less than half and this is little bit more than half. I like more of kernels in my soup. And here I have some cream, coriander, green chilies, corn flour, salt, pepper, sugar and butter. So let's start. Here I have a pan and it is in the medium high flame. I'm going to add the butter to it. Roast my sweet corn kernels. You don't want any color in it, just until it gets little bit puffed up like this. Smells delicious. I'm going to add the paste of the corn. Now some water in here. Let me dilute. Cook this until it starts to get a roaring boil. Now this is bubbling really nice. I'm going to add the seasonings to it. A little bit of our pepper, some sugar and some salt. Some green chilies too. Really optional to add green chilies, but I feel that green chili gives a really nice flavor to it. And some coriander. Now mix this really well. Boil for about 2 to 3 minutes. To finish off, I'm going to add two things to it. First of all, this corn flour mixture which I made by diluting 1 teaspoon of corn flour with about half a cup of water or so. I'm going to add about 3 to 4 teaspoons or so because this is looking really thick to me itself. And now we're going to mix this really well. Now this is looking good. I'm going to add some oregano. I'm feeling that with the smell of this I should add some oregano in there. This much will be fine enough. Okay, some more. Now soup is ready. I'm going to finish it off with some cream. Switch off the flame and serve it hot. Here we have our soup ready. Serve it hot. Thank you for watching.